Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you our brand new Earpads, side plates, and headband for the Audeze Maxwell 2. So let's start the video. Okay, in case you're not aware of how to replace the Earpads, they are magnetized. You're simply going to pull them out and put the new one in. With the headband, the original headband is going to be a little tougher to remove since it's leather, but once you remove it, you're simply going to remove it like that by pulling. With our new silicone headband, it's much easier to put on and it's much more flexible than the original. About the side plates, if you'll notice right here, there's a little dot and then there's a little dot on top of it. These are the alignment dots. Once you have them aligned, you're simply gonna twist left and the side plates will come off. You're gonna have the same alignment dots on the designs. This is the emerald tie design, but in case you can't find the alignment dot, just know that this X right here, this part on the back side where the X is, this is the top where the alignment is supposed to be, and it just magnetizes. So let me show you the difference between the Earpads, because this is really the only major difference that we made besides making designs on the headband and making it silicone or the side plates. So the Earpads, this is our WC Freeze V2 fabric. You have now fabric on the inside, fabric on the top, cooling gel on the inside, and cooling gel on the top. Obviously, we've made them thicker, as you can see, not too thick, but just the right amount of thickness so you can have a softer clamping force and more stabilization of the headset, which is already heavy on your head. The ear opening is the same and it's just gonna feel so much more softer than the V1 and so much more colder than the V1. And this is it. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.